for day 3 of our adventure. This is an exciting journey that we're decluttering, we're trying new things, we're fulfilling the excitement that we're missing for this whole year. So day 3, I want you to imagine a scenario that you are taking away the clean dishes and you're trying to put it away. Have you experienced that it's almost like you're playing a Jenga game, that you're putting one piece, hopefully the whole tower just doesn't collapse on you. So I feel it all the time. The cabinet now, it's a disaster. It definitely needs organization now, and today we're gonna clean it and organize it. At least when we put away things, it won't be a disaster. Let's go. This is the cabinet that we're using to store all the plates, bowls, cups, mugs, and as you can see, it's barely closing. Let's take a look. Okay, it's a success that nothing fell off. So you can see the mugs are not standing straight. They're like duplications of boxes, the same kind, but they're located in different places. And there's, well, big plate on the top of the small plates, and there's all over the place. So yeah, the first thing ever of decluttering things, organizing your cabinets. Step 1 is to bring everything down. Yes, you heard me right. Bring everything in your cabinets on the surface that you can see them, so you can organize them separately. So yeah, let's do it. So when you try to take things down, I would suggest categorize them in an area. Say for example, the mugs stay with the mugs, and the plates stay with the plate, and so on and so forth. So when you try to organize them, you can see the full inventory of your cabinet. And if you're as short as me, you might need some little helper like a ladder here. Okay, now we get everything done for those other 2 champagne glasses, which I can't reach. So the next step is really to clean the cabinets itself before you put all the clean dishes back in. And again, we're using our best friend, Windex. Once you cleaned your cabinets, the next thing is, in your mind, visualize how would your cabinets be organized. Okay, when you visualize it, the most accessible layer should be the things that you normally use on a daily basis, and so on and so forth. The second layer could be something that, yeah, you might use it every now and then, but really not. And the third is really things that you don't need, but I don't know why you're still keeping them, but some things might have sentimental values that you just don't want to throw it away. Or yeah, if you're tall, then the third layer could be your first layer too. All 3 you could just reach on a daily basis. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first layer, that the most accessible one for me, with things that I use every day. Okay, the first layer is down, and my logic behind this is, on the left you have your daily plates and bowls and some small ones here, and all your mugs and cups are on the right side, and those are my absolute favorite, so I'm gonna use it every day. That's my first layer. And the middle layer, I'm now thinking should be containers that we could store any frozen stuff or any of the leftovers. Okay, now the second layer is done. So it's all the containers and their lids, and yeah, so that's the second layer. Third layer will be anything that's not being used on a regular basis, but it would still be nice to have them. Okay, the third layer done, and yeah, this is after organization. I think it's much better. All right, take a look.
What? This is nuts. Alright, we know who's putting away the dishes from now on.
Alright. Now we've finished the cabinets for plates, bowls, and containers. I hope you enjoyed the process like I did. I know sometimes it could be intimidating of start organizing just a small section of your kitchen, but at least we get started today, right? And let's summarize the steps. Step 1, just to take everything out of your cabinet. Everything. Step 2, clean the cabinets. Step 3, start visualizing in your mind, saying, oh, okay, I could designate this area just for my plates, or the other area just for my containers. Step 4, try to prioritize how often do you use your stuff, and put the most used ones in your most accessible layer. And step 5, the last step is to put those things in the cabinet and yeah, call it a day. Day 3, organize your cabinet. Mission accomplished. You're not too late to catch this train to get ready with me for the holidays. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Let's get ready and let's celebrate. It's a tough year. Let's celebrate. If you're interested in materials like this, check out this to see how I cleaned my washing machine, and check out this to see how you can try a new recipe and have some fun. Alright friends, if you haven't done so, just smash that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, click like, and leave comments below. Thanks for watching, it's Jia here, we'll see you next Friday.